everyone. We are going to be talking more about mindfulness. So over the next few months, we're basically taking apart our workshop and doing it week by week. So this week is pillar 1, which is non-judgment. And I believe the best one to start with is non-judgment, because as soon as you become mindful of what's going on with your thoughts, mindful of what's going on around you, you start to become aware of some things that you potentially don't like very much. So the non-judgment is a really nice way to start and be kind to yourself. What'll happen is you start noticing the thoughts, especially the ones that repeat over and over again, and it can become a little frustrating, and you can be likely to judge yourself. And the more that we judge ourselves, the more we judge other people. So a little trick that I have about mindfulness, about non-judging, is as soon as you start to notice what's going on in your mind, just take a step back. Like imagine you're a queen or a king sitting in a throne, and you're paying attention to the thoughts that are going by. When you do this, you can say to yourself, this is a thought about the future. This is a thought about the past. And you can start labeling these thoughts that come up a lot. And also pay attention to if you're being judgmental of other people or not. Sometimes this is all you'll need to do to shift it. Just that simple awareness of where judgment is coming.